Space heaters are accountable for 43% of US house fires. Today we're going to make it 44. We picked up the space heater at Savers for $5 a couple weeks ago, and someone had the bright idea of using it as a foot warmer ever since then. Turns out that might not have been so smart, considering this specific one has been recalled for, and I quote, burns and increased risk of fires. So we figured, because it's so good at starting fires, we're gonna make it do that exclusively. We're gonna turn this space heater into a personal campfire by disabling every safety feature it has and adding a marshmallow because we get hungry a lot. I just wanted to point out the warning, risk of fire. Keep combustible materials such as furniture, paper, clothes, and curtains at least 3 feet from the heater and away from the sides and rear. Basically, don't get anything near this. And also the whole fact that it says, caution, risk of electric shock, do not open. But we're gonna do it anyway.
Come on, baby. Wow. I bet $10 that I'm gonna forget where all these screws go.
Oh, me too.
You know what? We don't need these. We don't even need them. Get out of here.
Wait, is it plugged in?
You almost gave me a fucking heart attack. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Something came loose.
Uh-oh.
That's not good.
Oh.
That's great. Okay, we're good. This is a fake space heater. Turn off. Has that space heater been recalled? I don't think so. I didn't think so. You ain't gonna find another one like this, all right?
Yeah, because all of them were turned in because they were safety hazards.
Fuck you. Oh my god.
Well, we created whatever. Stop dying!
I can't help it. I have a feeling it's gonna be something. This is
Probably that. Yeah.
yeah. It's like a weighted tilt switch. That's really odd.
That's so strange.
I haven't seen something like that.
So that just cuts power when it tips over.
Yeah.
We can totally just reverse that.
We reverse this.
I don't see what could possibly go wrong. Stop! What the hell are you doing?
We're gonna test if it catches things on fire. This is a bad idea.
This is a really bad idea.
Plugging it in.
That is very
I bent it. Turn on.
I think your tilt switch is triggered.
Oh, fuck you. I shouldn't touch this because it's near mains.
Now touch it.
All right, let's do what it says not to do.
Now let's stick paper in it. What's the worst that can happen? The tilt switch triggers for some reason. I'm just not very coordinated. What could possibly go wrong?
Nothing.
Oh, it doesn't work. How about that?
Wow.
I've made it infinitely. Oh, what is that? Where does that one go?
Oh.
Let's just call that the die wire and not touch it.
Actually, you know what we need?
What do we need?
We need a fire extinguisher.
Yeah.
This is really bad.
Fire yet?
Do you want some grilled paper?
Throw another shrimp on the Barbie. No, leave it. Oh, we have fire. We have a lot of fire. We have fire.
Wait for me. Wait up. Wait up. Now we need to get another fire extinguisher.
How difficult was that?
I just learned that if there's ever a fire, we're gonna die.
Yeah. No! This should never be replicated. Never.
You want to stay?
Oh yeah, we're in a different garage now because don't worry about it. I was really hoping that would pop off and like be really super cinematic and awesome, but we'll get a little looser. Oh, ready? No! That was really less cool than I wanted it to be. Oh, the hell is the other screw? I dumped them both in there. You sneaky bitch. Found it. Good shot. So, this is our safety feature. So, in its current state, it sits like this. We need to flip it so that it's like this. So when it lays down on its side, it activates. This is the dumbest shit, Alec. This is so stupid.
You're stupid. We're just putting it there?
Yeah. That seems safe. Welcome to below average engineering, where safety isn't even regarded. Vacuum time. Relocated. And now the problem is, it's taller than the feet. So we have to make the feet a little taller. Why aren't we hired anywhere yet? Besides the fact that we haven't graduated high school yet and we make shit like this. Pledge allegiance to the bag of the United Bread of America. All right, let's see if this works. Wait. We did it. This is so stupid. It's so dumb. It's just a space heater that causes more fires. Well, now what?
Plaster in Paris?
Sure, that's your job though.
No, what? Let's begin. So we're just gonna apply plaster in Paris and sand and mix them together.
And we're gonna put them in this little thing.
Yeah, so the whole thing doesn't melt down when we put fire in it. ASMR. What? Okay. This is
Horrifying.
All right, we're done.
Sweet. Now we just gotta wait for it to dry. And
Yeah, we just
in
gotta.
the meantime, we'll build the marshmallow carousel. Yeah. And we'll roast the marshmallows on top of this thing.
Or do you want to play Minecraft while we wait?
Let's do that. How fast do you think it's gonna light up? It smells like it's caramelizing for some reason. Oh, wait for it. Oh, there you go.
Here we go. Fucking on fire.
Oh,
That was scary.
almost burned myself really bad. We did it. Yeah, let's try this. Motor's turning, nice and warm.
Woo, toasty.
So now all we have to do is I'm gonna build a little coupler that will essentially hold 6 of these little metal wire hangers that we cut up around the shaft of this motor. And we can put a marshmallow at the end of each of them, and they will slowly spin around the motor going over the fire, and that way we can roast them. So all I need to do is I'll just take some measurements on this. I will throw it into the computer and model that up, throw it to the printer, and put this thing together, and we should be done.
Yeah.
Let's turn up the heat. It's gonna be a little while. I don't know why we did this whole dramatic intro thing. Oh wait, it's already smoking.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Oh. Oh. Wait for it. The fire comes smoothing. Where there is smoke, there is fire. We're geniuses. But that's not all. This is the best thing we've ever made. Now making s'mores is easier than it's ever been. We're fucking geniuses. I mean, look at this. Not only does it light your house on fire, it makes marshmallows in the process. What else could you ask for? Thank you guys.
Okay.
Let's run that back without my mouth full of food. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing if you like what we're doing, and we hope we'll see you in the next video. See ya.